Hey, good afternoon. Today I wanted to talk to you about a program that I use online called Canva. It's at canva.com and it is a graphic design type of program, and I use it to make my YouTube thumbnails, and I also use it on Poshmark and Mercari when I have any photos that are vertical, and both of those platforms require you to put in square photos. And sometimes I have like a long dress or something, and on eBay it'll be a long dress and I didn't make it square. I will take that picture and put it into Canva here and make it into a square. So I will show you that, and I'm also going to show you how I create my YouTube thumbnail and how quick and really easy it is to do. So first, let's go in. When you go to canva.com, and you can also do this, I know Canva has an app, and I have used that to make those square photos. I have not made a thumbnail, but I have used it to make the square photos. So you do need an account, and they do have a free one, and then they have one that you can pay for, which is the Canva Pro. I do not have the paid one. I just have the free version. So I'm going to create a design, and they give you a list of designs here that you can use to create. And I'm going to go back up. I know it was right on the top. I just kind of wanted to show you all the different ones that they have. I would suggest just going and playing around. So I'm going to go right back up to the top because it's where I need. They also have a custom dimensions one too, but I am going to do the YouTube thumbnail. And it does give you templates, so you can start with a blank slate and you can create it yourself, or you can use a template. So I am going to be interviewing somebody on my channel next week. Her name is Jess Hill, and I'm going to let's try this one. This is perfect because I need a photo. I'm going to put her photo, and I'll change the words. I might change a heart. I'm not sure if I want to keep a heart there, but so you can upload photos for free, and over here is the uploads. So I'm just going to show you today. I'm not going to give you a full tutorial on Canva, just really how you can create a quick thumbnail. If you look at my YouTube channel, you will see that I actually had used this one right here. This is Sweet and Salty. I used this one last week with one of my thumbnails. So I'm going to click on Uploads. And this is Jess that I am going to be interviewing. And I actually already uploaded her photo earlier. And then I decided, hey, I think I'll go ahead and do a video on this. So to upload, all you do is click on Upload an image, and then you find your image that you want and upload it. So since it's already there, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to take away the picture that is here by clicking on it and then hitting my backspace on my keyboard, and it removes that picture. And then I'm just going to click on this. It's going to bring her picture over, but I don't want both of them because this is her partner, her business partner, and all I want is Jess. So I'm going to crop the photo. It's just Jess. Oops. A little bit more. Click on Done. And then down here you can rotate photos. So I'm going to rotate it. Now it's not the same size as this. I don't think it's going to matter very much. So I'm just going to do it like that. I'm good. That's good. And then there's a heart here. And when I put the picture, it made the picture over the heart. So if there's an object that gets behind or in front of or whatever of an object and you want to change it, you can click on that object, and then over here you can click on position, and you can say move it to the front, and it actually moved that heart above it and put it right there. So for right now I'm going to leave the heart. I don't know if I'm going to put something else there or not. So I'm going to change my favorites to Meet Jess Hill, and I don't like that font. So we're going to change this font. I think it's kind of hard to read. So I'm going to highlight it, click over here on text, or you can click up here where it says shadow. And then you can see these are the fonts that you have available. Anything that has a gold crown anywhere on this website, whether it's pictures or fonts, templates, that means you have to be a pro member to be able to use them. And since I am not pro, I'm not going to use those. So I'm going to try and look for something that I think might work. Let's try this one. Maybe make it a little smaller. Oh, that's not so bad actually. So Meet Jess Hill. And then, whoops. Highlight this because I don't want featuring products under $20. I'm going to say an e-com $1 million business owner. She does over $1 million in e-com. So I'm going to be interviewing her next week, which will be May 12th. It's a Tuesday at 3 p.m. I'll be interviewing her here on my channel. So there we go. Meet Jess Hill, an e-com $1 million business owner. So that will be my interview. So then you just click on download and say download again. It downloads it onto your computer, into your downloads folder, and then you can use that to go ahead and might as well copy that and put that into my description. If you decide to use Canva, hey, use my referral link, which I didn't realize they had a referral program, but if a friend joins Canva and creates a design, you'll both earn a Canva credit. Interesting. So that's how quick and easy it is to make a thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So then I also wanted to show you how to make a square and how I use it for reselling. So I will, so I hit the home button, went back. This is your main page when you go to canva.com, and I'm going to click on create a design. I use the Instagram post because it creates a square, and that's what I want is a square. And in this case, all I'm going to do is click on uploads, and I'm going to upload a photo that I want. So let's pretend it's this magazine right here, and I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to stretch it to fit this. I don't care about the white on the side. I mean, sometimes I'll make it black on the side or whatever, but for Poshmark, it doesn't really matter. When it comes to coloring, eBay, they like a white background, so I usually just leave it white. But in this case, I've now made it a square photo. If I was to upload this, if it was a dress or something like that, a magazine can't go on Poshmark. But if I was to upload this on Poshmark or even Mercari, actually, I will, no, I won't show you because I don't know where this photo is to show you exactly. But I was going to go to Mercari and show you what it does, but it would actually like cut this off and it would end up looking like this on Mercari. So I take the photo and put it here on this square box, and that way I can have the full photo on Mercari. And then again, you just click on download. It downloads it onto your hard drive again. And then now I have that for me to use to upload onto Mercari and Poshmark. So that is that. Just a little quick video. Just wanted to kind of show you how to use this. And I find it just extremely helpful. If you were to look at my YouTube channel, which I'm going to go to and show you all of my thumbnails that I've done so far. So these are all of my thumbnails so far, and these have all been done on Canva. So this is the one I said I had done one recently. This was the one I did. Oh, and I use the same background over here for this one. So if you find a template you really like, you can just stick with it like I do with this bingo one to show I have bingo, and that way when people see this, they'll know exactly what it is if they are a member of my bingo tribe. So, all right, that is it. That's all I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, leave them below. If there's a website that you use that's very similar to Canva that you like, Feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd love to check that one out also. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.